Hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm making a video basically going through my routine that I'm going through right now, in lieu of the fact that we are in what is called an epidemic as far as the coronavirus is concerned. So what I've been doing, and I feel like I need to share it, is before and after each student I go through a routine cleanup of all of the parts on the car that is touched by each individual student. So just as a precaution, obviously we know that there is more to keeping you safe as it relates to the virus. So, they recommend that you wash your hands as many times as possible. I am in the car 24/7, so I am not in the position to wash my hand as often as I would want to. So, and I have different people coming into the car every 2 hours, approximately. Every 2 hours, I'll have a different student. So just as a precaution, this is what I've been personally doing, right? I use the Lysol wipes. It's the extra strong Lysol wipes that is supposed to be good for killing the virus. So I would take my Lysol. Every student that comes into the car, I would take a Lysol thing and I would wipe down the steering wheel. This is before and after every student. I would wipe down the steering wheel, every part of the steering wheel that is touched by individual students. I would wipe down the turn signal, because everyone touches the turn signal. I would also wipe down the wiper, even though it's not raining, so you don't necessarily have to do the wiper every time, but I do that. The shifter, everyone touches the shifter, so I make sure I wipe down the shifter before and after every student. I also wipe down the locks, the door locks, because again, everyone touches the lock. There's a side thing here, the door handle. I wipe that down. So door handle, window, winder. In this car I have a winder. Most cars you will have probably electric. Most cars are powered, so this car is not. So I wipe down the locks, the winder, the door handle, steering wheel, wiper, and shifter. Okay, that is my routine. I do this before and after every student. I am not even suggesting that this is going to prevent the coronavirus. It's just a precautionary measure. It's just what I am doing to do my little part in protecting myself and my students. So I hope this has been helpful on some level. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like and subscribe and continue to support the channel. All right, thank you very much.